Yo, what's up, guys? This is Pedro once again. Welcome to PepFlow. I'm going straight to my chart and I'm going to give you my view on what's going to happen, what has happened, and what's going to happen this week on gold. As you know, I mostly specialize on gold, right? Yes, this is what I have on gold, and as I've explained last week, I'll leave a link below in my previous video concerning my setup for this drop or my setup for this particular move so far. All right, I'm gonna talk about it in a little bit. Okay, first I'm gonna point out the major zone, which was this one, and the next major one was this one, right? What could you see? You could see prices trying to get closer to one particular level. Price is trying to, take out this high. But I tried over here, it couldn't. Just a few pips away from it. This tells you that price really wants to turn around. Okay. Now, also in ICT, we have a strategy or we have a theory called order block, the last candle that prevents price from going further. Okay, and we can see that over here, which is this bearish candle, right? So this bearish candle is preventing price from going lower, and that's fine. Some people might have started buying. I even bought, all right? I even bought to take some pips. Now, what could prevent price from going further? Let me show you. That is, I'm zooming in. That is this particular bullish candle, the last order block, right? So now, this order block in this time frame should be the one to prevent price from going further, right? Also in smaller time frame, for our 1 hour 15 minute, there are zones here or rejection zones here, like order blocks. All right, they can also prevent price from going further. All right, they can also prevent price from going further. So if price respects those zones, then it's possible price will just buy in these areas and maybe drop back down. Right, when it does that, my mentor will say turtle soup because it's easy placing a trade in this area and making a lot of money. But it's up to you to get the setup right. All right. So now we are waiting for more setup at that zone, and let me point out the strategy. Or I don't know if I've already done that, but let me point it out again. This was a flag. I mentioned it last week. All right, that price is respecting its flag or a wedge. They are almost the same. All right, so this was our TP calculator, and I said if it breaks at the top, right, we go up. If it breaks at the low, we go down. And price broke at the low, we go down. Where's your TP? The calculator does the widest part of that channel, which is a wedge or a flag. You place it here, and that will be your TP. Now you could see price came about 92 or 95% of it, and price has gone back up. So as I've said, if price bounce off any of these areas, okay, but from next week, if price bounce off any of these areas, then it's possible price would like to come and fulfill its TP as completing the rest of the 5%. All right, and when it's fulfilling this TP, it might like to get closer to this low. Right, so now let me take out the noise and show you if with the help of a trend line. Okay, um if I try to bring this line up, okay, to where this TP calculator is, it tells us that price is going to try, okay, to touch the low of this candle. And where is the low of this candle? That is the wick. So this tells us that it might be possible price could find its way testing further lower. All right, so if that is the case, we keep our fingers crossed, wait for price to give us a setup here. All right, and then we find our way going up. So this is what I think about gold for now. All right, so you keep your fingers crossed, and then let's see. If you have huge account, yeah, these zones or these areas are safe to be in a buy. Maybe you have 200, 500, I think even 200 you might not be so safe. 1,000 is cool. Placing a trade of 0.01, you can still be safe in this noise. Okay, so from this zone, price playing around this area, okay, you can still be safe here, but I will not play such trades. You need setup. If you have a setup, you know where you're heading towards. Okay, yeah, you don't risk much in FX. If you risk much, you might also be in a big trouble, right? Your consistency might be in a big problem for you. So yeah, that's my view for FX. Sorry, for gold, and let's do wait for setup. You see, wait for setup, and when you have your setup, it's easy to execute. Thank you so much. And now Pipflow is having a program. We are having a free session, a free tutorial, free lesson for anybody who is interested. For now, I'm going to leave a link at the low, and you can join and introduce yourself, and you have to let us know how you join so that we can welcome you, and we're going to teach you everything we think you need to know in stage one. And you're always welcome. Thank you so much, and enjoy your day. Bye bye.